You're listening to Blue Radio, bringing the vibe.
A very good afternoon to you and welcome to Blue Radio News at 1 p.m. My name is Agneta Okwemba. In a significant political shake-up, allies of former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua have been removed from key positions in the National Assembly as part of plans to create a broad-based government. The changes, chaired by Majority Whip Silvana Sosoro, have affected Githunguri MP Gathoni wa Mushomba, Naivasha's Jen Kihara, Mumias East Peter Salasia, and Kiharu MP Ndindi Nyoro. ODM members including Alego Usonga's Sama Tandi and Ikolomani's Bernard Shinali are expected to fill the vacant positions, with elections for the new roles set to take place from Thursday next week. Still on politics, People's Liberation Party leader Martha Karua has ruled out being a presidential running mate in the 2027 general elections. Speaking on Thursday, Karua stated that if she is not the presidential candidate, she would rather support whoever her team will be backing. Karua also mentioned that opposition leaders are working towards forming a coalition that will collectively select their flag bearer. Moving on, the Institute of Engineers of Kenya joined students from Ukunda Technical College in Msambweni, Kwale County to celebrate World Engineers Day on Wednesday. Deputy Director Engineer Catherine Karue urged students undertaking various courses to work hard to capitalize on government job opportunities.
Katika engineering institution tumeanzisha attachment ama internship. Mtu akimaliza shule tunawashukua, tunawapeleka katika institutions. Tumetenga institutions ambazo zina train engineers, tunawa-attach for 1 year.
Engineer Hassan Mondoro encouraged young students to consider engineering careers, while teacher Bakari Ali confirmed the support received in the form of equipment and training. One of the students, Harry Makame, expressed gratitude for the motivation, saying it drives their ambition to succeed in electrical engineering. Elsewhere, a police officer has been interdicted following unrest in Majengo after the fatal shooting of a young man. 2 undercover officers attempting to arrest the deceased for allegedly carrying bang opened fire on a crowd protecting the boy from being arrested. According to National Police Service spokesperson Mushiri Nyaga, the officer has been identified and disarmed, inviting the Independent Policing Oversight Authority (IPOA) to investigate the matter. Residents have been urged to remain calm and cooperate with investigators. Moving to business, China has pledged to finance and construct the extension of the standard gauge railway (SGR) from Naivasha to Malaba on the border with Uganda in a significant boost to the country's infrastructure development. The 364.3-kilometer project, confirmed during high-level talks between President William Ruto and Chinese officials, aims to enhance regional trade and economic ties. Construction is set to begin next year, marking a major milestone in Kenya's infrastructure agenda. Moving to international news, US President Donald Trump has issued a stark ultimatum to Hamas, warning of further destruction in Gaza if all remaining hostages are not freed. Trump also urged Hamas leaders to flee, reaffirming his administration's support for Israel amid a fragile ceasefire, with tensions remaining high in the region. And to sports, Kenya's under-17 women's football team, the Junior Starlets, departed for Uganda today for their FIFA under-17 World Cup qualifier. The first leg will be played on Saturday, with the returning leg scheduled for March 16th in Nairobi. The winner on aggregate will advance to the next round of qualifications. In UEFA Champions League action, Liverpool secured a dramatic 1-0 victory over Paris Saint-Germain (PSG) in the round of 16 first leg match. Despite PSG's dominance, Liverpool's goalkeeper Alisson Becker made 9 crucial saves, and substitute Harvey Elliott scored the winning goal just 40 seconds after coming on. The result gives Liverpool a crucial advantage heading into the second leg at Anfield. That is all we had lined up for you on today's news bulletin. My name is Agneta Okwemba.
You're listening to Blue Radio, bringing the vibe.